Twitter says it is aiming to let anyone start hosting spaces sometime next month, quoting The Verge. Amusingly, we overheard the news in a Twitter space itself, hosted by the company. Twitter's plans aren't set in stone, but the gist is that they're trying to get the product into a state where anyone can host a Twitter space starting in April. April is the goal. In the meanwhile, users on both iOS and Android can both join and talk in existing spaces, end quote. Remember, we are going to try to do our first Spaces experiment next week once Chris gets back on busy. And this one might be a smaller deal, but who knows, depending on how you use Twitter, maybe this is the bigger deal, really. Twitter says it is also testing displaying larger images instead of those cropped previews that we're used to on our timelines. Also, support for 4K photo uploads is coming, quoting iMore. 4K image uploads can be enabled through the data usage settings in the Twitter app for iPhone, where you can select options for both viewing and uploading high-quality images to save cellular data. Twitter says that the settings will appear if you're in the test, showing not everyone is going to get the new features right away. Beyond Twitter's over the next few weeks statement, there's no clear indication as to a more specific timeline, end quote.